Good evening, viewers. Today we will be factoring and solving equations. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to the channel. My Cash App is with the $sign up front, MLBFan. Here we see an equation of x minus 8 to the second power is equal to 4. The object of this problem is to solve the equation, but first we must set the equation equal to 0. So we must subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. Then we will obtain x minus 8 to the second power minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this looks like a pattern of difference of squares, and the difference of squares formula can be easily memorized as a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Let's prove this formula. So a squared minus b squared, when we break it apart, is a times a and negative b times b. So let's pair them up. And so we will obtain a minus b times a plus b. So now with this equation here of x minus 8 to the second power minus 4 is equal to 0 can be easily split up as x minus 8 times x minus 8, and then negative 4 can be broken down to negative 2 times 2. And now let's pair this up. So it will be x minus 8 minus 2 multiplied by x minus 8 plus 2, and then we set this equation equal to 0. So let's analyze the first piece. X minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0, and the other piece, x minus 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. So let's pull this out here. X minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0. And then the other one, x minus 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. So let's start with the first equation. We want to add 2 to both sides. So x minus 8 is equal to 2. And then add 8 to both sides of the equation, and we will obtain x is equal to 10. So this appears to be one of the solutions. Now let's check the other equation. We want to subtract 2 first from both sides, and then we will obtain x minus 8 is equal to negative 2, and then add 8 to both sides, and x will equal 6. And this appears to be our second solution. Now let's prove this. So prove that x equals 10 and x equals 6 are solutions. So we go back to the original equation of x minus 8 to the second power is equal to 4. And we will plug in both answers here. So our first solution of 10, we will plug this in. So 10 minus 8 squared equals 4. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then we raise it to the second power. It's equal to 4. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 4 equals 4. And that's true. So x equals 10 is a solution. We could go ahead and circle that because that is a solution. Now let's prove 6 is a solution as well. So 6 minus 8 squared is equal to 4. And 6 minus 8 is negative 2. And square it is equal to 4. So this will break down to negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4. And 4 is equal to 4. And this is a true statement as well. So x equals 6 is a solution as well. So there are 2 solutions to the problem of x equals 10 and x equals 6. If you need math help, text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front, MLB FAN. And we'll write the Cash App again. It's MLBFAN. I tutor for math courses at the university, college, high school, and middle school levels. I also tutor for the SAT and ACT as well. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.